There's 8 of these per system, right? And again, it can be configured as 4 as 8 sockets. Let me just leave this one out. Okay. So this is the CPU module, the fans, and in the rear there's lots of I/O, and you can see how much perf area there is. So most of the air actually goes right through the box. We've measured over 400 CFM of airflow, which is again a record for rack-mount systems. And let me show you. This is about to fall off here. You can see the slots here, right? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 PCI Express slots and PCI X slots in our service processor. So the rest of this is fully compatible with the Galaxy families in terms of manageability. It plugs right into any existing customer system. We got 4 of the little small form factor discs in the front, CD-ROM, that's pretty much standard. So again, this was the machine used for the Japanese supercomputer. That's the fastest computer there in Asia.
It looks like a really unique packaging for an 8-way.
Well, the thing is, you have to keep the hyper-transfer links that go between the CPUs as short as possible. So the hyper-transfer is actually on the motherboard. So it's not a bus, it's a point-to-point connectivity, but the hyper-transfer runs on the motherboard, and each CPU plugs directly with 3 hyper-transfer ports into that structure. So all the wiring is underneath here.
Hyper-transfer is on the underneath.
Right, that connects all 8 of these.
Gotcha.
And to the I/O.
Can you show us the fans again?
Okay, yeah, I love these fans. Yeah, the bigger fans, I should also mention, are much more reliable because they run at a lower RPM. So what uses up the fan is the bearing ultimately, and the higher the RPM, the less long they run. We know for sure we can go to the quad-core full performance next year, no problem, because we basically have margin of error on the encoding here. And again, we can support tons of I/O. So each Express slot can support 2 fiber channel ports at 4 GB, so we can actually support 12 4 gigabit fiber channel ports, which is almost 100 gigabits of I/O right out of the box for people that want to go maximum, density.